Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock the device, and confirm you're signed into the same account the app uses. Once done, open Settings. This is where System Notifications live. Make sure to find the Notifications menu or the app-specific entry. Many systems group alerts there. You do this so changes apply globally or per app. Now tap the app name or select Notifications and get ready to change toggle states. This first step ensures you're editing the right source, not an in-app preference. Once inside the app's notification page, look for Allow Notifications or similar. Flip that toggle to stop all alerts. If you prefer granularity, disable banners or sounds, and remove badge icons and lock screen previews. This keeps background updates but silences interruptions. You might also set delivery to scheduled or enable focus/do not disturb for temporary suppression. Make sure changes save. Some systems require tapping save or back out to finish by testing. Send yourself a test message or trigger an alert. If notifications still appear, restart the device to apply system-level changes. This often resolves lingering services. Next, open the app and check in-app notification settings. Some apps override system defaults. If problems continue, confirm the OS is updated and account sync is healthy. Outdated software can re-enable behaviors. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the setting off, reboot, then toggle back on to reset the notification registration with the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.